Have you noticed your Instagram sharing list is completely messed up? Random people at the top, close friends missing, and nothing seems to fix it? You're definitely not alone. In this video, I will show you exactly what's going on and what you can actually do about it right now. Recently, some users have reported that their Instagram sharing list is disorganized or not functioning properly. When trying to share a reel or post, instead of displaying your most frequently interacted with friends like it used to, the app now shows random or unfamiliar accounts and omits people you often contact. Moreover, sharing more posts with those close contacts doesn't seem to fix the list or refresh their position. For some people, this started after a recent update, while others began noticing the issue after switching to a new phone. It's unclear whether this is a glitch, a backend change, or an unannounced update, but it's affecting users across various devices. Now, while there isn't an official fix yet, there are a few steps you can take to try to resolve the issue, and I'll guide you through them. But before we dive into that, kindly subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more updates. The first step is to update your Instagram app. This is usually the very first thing to try, as it helps to ensure that any glitches are resolved. So you make sure you go to your Play Store or App Store and update your Instagram app. If that is done, another solution is to clear your Instagram cache. To do this, go to your phone's settings, then apps and notifications, and then locate Instagram. From there, select storage and cache. Tap on the clear cache option to remove temporary files that might be causing the issue. The other solution is for you to try reinstalling the app. So if the problem persists, uninstall and then reinstall your Instagram app. If none of that works, another helpful step is to report the problem directly to Instagram. Now this is useful because it alerts their team to the issue and they might provide updates or solutions. So to do this, log into your Instagram account, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner, then tap the three-line menu at the top right corner to open settings. Under the settings menu, scroll down and select help, then choose report a problem, and you can follow the prompts and clearly explain the issue you're experiencing. Finally, keep in mind that glitches like this are often temporary, so sometimes waiting for a few hours or days can allow Instagram to push out bug fixes and resolve the problem. So in the meantime, you can continue using the app and I'll keep you updated on more solutions.